Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Here is a very good opportunity from the BirlaSoft company. So BirlaSoft is hiring for the three different roles with the different branches. Let's see more in detail about this hiring. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe now and also join the Telegram group where I'm giving the every update regarding internship and job opportunities for all the batches. So join there and also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our channel. The first role is the tester. So for this role, it is just like an internship, and they are hiring for the 2024 and 2025 graduates, and the last date for this is 31st January, and the locations are given as Pune, Hyderabad and Chennai. So it is completely based on the employee referral. Nothing but you have to reach the employees in the LinkedIn. You have to connect with them and you have to ask them for the referral. So there is nothing like the apply. So but when you click on the apply link here, when you click on the apply now, you will be receiving one form. So in that form you have to give the details of the employee to whom they referred you. So you have to give the details, and if you don't have an account in this, then create in the Superset. So this is hiring from the Superset, and the CTC this will be around 32,875 per the month. And when we see the eligibility, all the BE Tech branches are eligible, and also you should have a good knowledge on the some programming languages like Java and JavaScript, Python and the related. So and also you should have the CGPA or the percentage above 60%, and you should be from the 2024 or 2025 graduating or the passed out years. So this is all about this. It is a very good opportunity, and it is apprentice and then internship for the role of tester. It is off campus, anyone can apply, and share this with your friends too. And the next hiring is for the ICTS infra engineering, and this is also internship, and also it is based on the employee referral. And when we see the eligibility, so eligibility are 2024 and 2025 graduates. This is have already closed, but then also you can reach out the employees for the referral. And eligibility is a BE Tech with the given branches, and also you should have the knowledge on the AWS, Azure or the GCP. And this is somewhat different process. It is not like a based on the programming language as we seen in the first role. It is about somewhat related to the software side, uh, and then this role, it is somewhat different. It is based on the information technology or then cloud computing and etc. And also the eligibility 2024 and 2025 graduates are eligible, and you should have over the 60% in your academics. And it is also internship, and the salary will be around 32,875. So actually this is already closed, this role. They're not accepting the applications for this role, but then also you can reach out the employees. If not possible, you can apply for the remaining roles also, like tester is still in open. The application deadline is 31st January. And the next role is ICTS infra for the non-engineering. So here the non-engineering, nothing but the qualification will be different. Whereas in the tester and then engineering side, we have the BA or BTech, but here in this non-engineering side, you'll have BSc in the IT, CS or the mathematics or the BCA. So BSc or the BCA candidates are eligible for this. And the batches, if we see, year of graduation will be 2024 and 2025 graduates, and you should also have the percentage above 60 percentage. And the location is given as here, Bangalore and Chennai. So Bangalore and Chennai location is given, and you should also should not contain any backlogs, and you should be above 60 percentage, and you should have a good understanding on the operating systems, cloud computing, and some programming languages like scripting. And so this is completely based and the related about the BSc or the BCA and in the related branches, and the CTC will be around 18,000 per month. So this is also a very good opportunity, and the last date for this role is also 31st January. So apply it as soon as possible till a lot of time is there, and this application is still in open. You can also check the complete description about this job. Just download here. And these are the three different hirings from the BirlaSoft. It is a very good opportunity. You just open your LinkedIn and just type BirlaSoft, search the company, and then you have to give the filter as the people. So there you will be finding many people who are or the employees who are working in the BirlaSoft company. So connect with them. Overall, like ask for many people, connect with the many people, like over 50 to 100 people, employees, connect with them, and you ask them for the referral. After that, whoever have referred you, so provide the details of that employee, of that particular employee who referred you. Like they will be, when you click on the apply now, they will be asking you to give the details of the employee. Like you have to give the name or the mail of that particular person, particular employee. So some details you have to provide about that employee who referred you. So by that your application will be completed. And so in such a way, ask employees for the referral and provide the particular details here. So this is a very good opportunity for 2024 and 2025 graduates. So don't miss this. And all these links I will be providing in the description. And also subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. This is a very good opportunity. So share it with your friends, juniors or the seniors. And also, if you have any doubts regarding this, then let me know in the comment section. Or else you can, if you have any queries, you can also message me on Insta. I will be giving you reply. So don't miss this opportunity. All these links are I have provided in the description. So check it out. And also there are many other opportunities where I'm sharing in my Telegram group. So join Telegram group. I'm giving regular updates regarding the internships for all the batches and also job opportunities. So this is all about this hiring, and the more important videos are going to come. So subscribe now, and that's it for this. Thank you.